Yo guys, welcome to TradingView tutorial by using your mobile phone. If you don't have a laptop, stay tuned and watch this video on how you can analyze your chart and make a very perfect trade using TradingView with your phone at the comfort of your hands. Eh? You simply go to Play Store or App Store and install TradingView. After installing TradingView, you will come into this part here. Of course, this is where you will be analyzing your charts. Okay, so let's dive into the video and I show you on how you will do it. Okay, so down here into this chart, this is where we'll be analyzing your market. We have various tools that we will use to analyze this market. Of course, this we can extend the charts the way you want. Down here where I'm showing you the thing like a pen, there you have the analyzing tools that you can use to analyze your market. Of course, there is a horizontal line. If you want, as you can see, the arrow they are above our screen. If you want to add those tools above your screen, as I am showing you, if you want to add them, just add to favorite. You simply click that pen there and you see the tools. For me, when it is in yellow, it's already on favorite. Let me add this ray. I long press it and then I just press favorite. As you can see, it has already been added into my favorite at the home screen of my charts. So this is how you analyze it. So this is Euro USD. Just want to show you a tutorial on how you can analyze Euro USD. Let me go to a 4-hour time frame and show you on how you can analyze Euro USD using your phone at the comfort of your home or of your of your place. Okay, so this Euro USD, let me squeeze the charts so that you can see. Of course, you can adjust it at the angle that you feel that is appealing to your eyes. This is 4 hours. You can see it's very clear, just like a laptop. If you want to, you know how to use it, you just adjust it, zoom in and out up to the where you will see it fits you. So let me use my trend line to draw this simple technical or price action. I just use simple price action to show you how Euro USD is behaving and how I expecting it to behave. This is a lower trend line that I'm drawing. Of course, the market respected it multiple times, as you can see. So I'll use my tool to draw the zone. There's a resistance zone that is here above here, which is being also respected multiple times. For now, the market has reached that resistance zone. Okay, so that's the zone that I'm going to consider as my first priority and my first confirmation that the market will eventually drops. Okay, that will be my first confirmation. My second confirmation will be an upper trend line that will connect from up to the down. That will be my second confirmation. Okay, so expecting this market to drop from that resistance zone, so I will take my short tool and place it from that. I'll take my short tool and place my selling trade low. Let me put that short tool and place my sell trade from there up to downward, up to that lower low where the market has reached. Up to that lower low, I'm targeting that lower low. Remember, this is a 1 hour time frame. This is a very good pips to catch in Euro USD. As you know, Euro USD it's not that much in pips. Okay, so let me draw this upper trend line. This is my second confirmation that the market will eventually drops. This is my second confirmation that the market will eventually drops. But remember, I will look for confirmation before my entry. Before I enter to the market, I will look for a clear confirmation that this market will eventually sell. Of course, it may continue with upward move or may sell, but high probability is that this market will eventually be selling. Okay, so this is how you can use trading view with your phone to catch these good trades. Okay, so let me go to 15 minutes time frame just to catch up and for entry confirmation, to look for entry confirmation. You just, this is how you do it with your phone. It's very simple, guys. Don't panic, or you don't have a laptop, you don't have anything. Just do your things with you, what you have, right? Eventually everything that you will need later, it will just come. Okay, so use whatever you have to maximize your trade entry and your trading opportunity. So that's all about this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.